This is the 14th episode of our Chinmaya Algebra Series. For this video, we're looking for the value of x cubed plus y cubed plus 9xy, given that x plus y equals 3. There are plenty of ways of answering this problem, but in this video, I'll teach you how to answer this in less than 15 seconds. The trick here is to use the identity that I've presented in episode 3. If you haven't watched that yet, I highly suggest that you do so first. So in that identity, we note that a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed minus 3abc is equal to 0 whenever a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Now you might wonder how this applies to this problem at hand, given that we only have two variables. The answer is that we will treat one of them, or the constant, to be another variable. So we will write x plus y equals 3 as x plus y plus negative 3 equals 0. Now if we consider a as x, y as b, and negative 3 as c, then we satisfy the condition that we've set in our identity. So given this identity, we note that x cubed plus y cubed plus negative 3 cubed minus 3 times x times y times negative 3 must be equal to 0. Now simplify this, we get x cubed plus y cubed minus 27 plus 9xy is equal to 0. Now this part here is actually what we want. So we just isolate that to get x cubed plus y cubed minus or plus 9xy is equal to 27. Therefore, the expression that we want is 27. And that's our final answer. If you're familiar with this identity, then you can definitely answer this question in less than 15 seconds. If this is an oral math competition, then you can definitely get this one quickly. If you're wondering how you'd answer this if you don't know this identity, then I showed you as well the long way of doing this. To do this, we'll make use of the sum of cubes identity. That's a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a squared plus b squared minus ab. So that x cubed plus y cubed is equal to x plus y, x squared plus y squared minus xy. We already know the value of x plus y, and that's 3 based on the given info. But we don't know the value of x squared plus y squared as well as x plus y. The next trick that we'd use is to rewrite x plus y squared as x plus y squared minus 2xy. That's an alternative way of writing the sum of squares in terms of the sum of the variables and their product. So this expression here becomes x plus y squared minus 2xy minus xy. Therefore, x cubed plus y cubed in this context will be 3 times x squared plus it will be 3 times x plus y squared minus, we have a negative 2xy here and a negative xy here. So we have negative 3xy. Substitute again the value of x plus y here as 3. We get 3 times 3 squared is 9 minus 3xy. Expand to get 27 minus 9xy. Still, we don't know the value of xy here, but we're actually not interested with x cubed plus y cubed. We're interested with x cubed plus y cubed plus 9xy. So if we plug in the value of x cubed plus y cubed, we get 27 minus 9xy. Then add back the 9xy, we'll get 27 since these two cancels out. So again, this is the longer method here, but we got the same answer, of course. So even if you don't know this special identity here, you can still answer this using fairly standard methods. using the expansion of the a cube plus b cube sum. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope you subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.